How to add another Presto card to my account? Well, it's very easy to add, but first of all, you have to make an account. So just go to the presto.com and just type Presto card in your Google search and you will land here. And once you're here, you will get this option sign in with an account or sign in without an account, right? So this can only be happen if you have a Presto card. So if you don't have an account, then in the lower bottom left side corner, you will say don't have an account, click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you have to give your username, your email address, and you have to confirm it and just create a password or verify. In the verification process, they will send you a code to your email address and you have to just copy and paste. And that's it. Then you have to give your personal information. So your Presto card has been made. I mean, Presto account has been made. So to add an account here, if you just go to the Presto, this is the dashboard. And here in the bottom, it will say my card, right? So here you can see register a physical card. So just click on register a physical card. By the way, they accept each and every popular card: Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. So here, if you are into the here, so this is only for the Presto card. So if you don't have a Presto card, or if you have, you can just add this card number and verification number and just click on the next, and that's it. If you have a credit card, in credit card there's only three which they accept. The first one is Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Just click on this I travel with this card, click on it, and once you click on it, it will load for a few seconds. And here basically you have to click on this. So once you click on this, it's loading. So here you have to again just put your username and password here, right? And just click on sign in. And once you click on sign in, so then you will able to add your card, which is very easy to do it. So it's guy, I hope you found this video very useful.